Alright, so today we're going to be cutting some stuff out here. Got the lines marked up and it goes all the way back here. I'm going to get that later, but the rust is all going to be cut out here soon. So this whole thing, cutting it up from up here down, because the replacement cab corner that I got goes all the way up to like here. So obviously I'm going to cut it short, so I won't have to go all the way up here, and I don't want to fool with that anyway. So we're gonna get started here. A lot of sparks. Won't that break off or not?
It's down,
down there. Well,
I think it'll shoot it down.
Yeah, do it. Okay, I thought you was okay.
Yeah. A little up.
Not too bad. There you go.
My wheel flopped apart.
Uh-oh. All right. So, after a lot of cutting, I didn't think it was that bad. Pretty decently straight lines, not bad edges. And this was my first, I was cutting here at first. And that was when I started, and I got into it a little bit. And we had to adjust the pressure because it was too low, but eventually I straightened it out and got used to it. It was real good, I'd say. And then we're leaving this part, like I said, so we can, this is good metal, so we can have a place to clamp it, the new rocker panel, and to weld it when we do. I'm gonna cut the rest of this off. Like I said, I'm kind of waiting on what to do here. I'm thinking a line down and then flatten it out all the way down to here and then just down to that line right here. But it's getting late. It's getting darker outside. Doesn't look like it from the camera, but it's 9 p.m. and I need to start cleaning up because I'm making a big mess. Luckily, I was wearing a mask or all that would be in my lungs. So, still got that to do. Didn't touch that, but pretty good day for coming after work. That's all that I've done for today. And apparently these might not be very good. There's 50 of them for 20 bucks on Amazon, but we found old ones that were good that my papa got, and I've been on the same one. I know it's small, but I was getting ready to be done, so probably change that out next time. Anyways, that's about it for tonight, and I'll probably be back this weekend if it don't rain for finish the rest of this, and that's about it. Talk to you guys later.